Today, we're diving deep into the 10 powerhouse crops that can make this dream a reality. These aren't just any plants. They are high-yielding, nutrient-dense, and often storable, perfect for maximizing every inch of your backyard. Get ready to transform your garden into a year-round food haven. Feeding your family all year from a small garden requires smart choices. We need crops that offer high caloric value, excellent nutrition, and the ability to be preserved or stored for months. Succession planting and vertical gardening will be your best friends. These 10 crops are selected for their productivity, ease of growth, and versatility. They will provide a steady supply of food, reducing your grocery bill and increasing your food independence. Let's dig in and discover these incredible plants. Potatoes are a staple crop for a reason. They offer substantial calories and nutrients, and a small patch can yield a surprising amount. They are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Grow them in grow bags, containers, or raised beds to maximize space. Harvest them when the foliage dies back, then cure and store them in a cool, dark place for months. You'll have fresh potatoes well into winter. Sweet potatoes are another fantastic calorie-dense root crop, thriving in warmer weather. They are incredibly productive, with vines that can be trained vertically to save space. Both the tubers and the young leaves are edible. Plant slips in late spring after the last frost. Harvest before the first hard frost, cure them, and store them like regular potatoes. They offer a different nutritional profile and a delicious sweetness. Bush beans are a gardener's best friend for quick, continuous harvests. They mature rapidly and produce abundant pods. Succession plant them every 2 to 3 weeks for a steady supply all season long. You can eat them fresh, freeze them, or let them dry on the vine for storage. Dried beans provide excellent protein and fiber for winter meals. They also improve your soil by fixing nitrogen. Tomatoes are a garden favorite for good reason. They are incredibly productive, especially indeterminate varieties that keep producing until frost. They are perfect for eating fresh, canning, or making sauces. Grow them vertically using stakes or cages to save space. Preserve your harvest by making sauces, salsas, or drying them. A few healthy tomato plants can provide a surprising amount of food. Winter squash varieties like butternut, acorn, or spaghetti squash are storage champions. They are packed with nutrients and can last for many months in a cool, dry place. A single plant can yield several large squash. Train their vines up a sturdy trellis or fence to save ground space. Harvest them when the skin is hard and the stem is dry. These provide essential carbohydrates and vitamins through the colder months. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that thrives in cool weather and can even tolerate light frosts. It's a cut-and-come-again crop, meaning you can harvest leaves repeatedly from the same plant. This extends your harvest window significantly. Planted in spring and again in late summer for a continuous supply. It's excellent in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes. Kale is incredibly resilient and provides greens when other plants have faded. Carrots are a fantastic root crop that can be succession planted throughout the growing season. They store well in the ground in mild climates or in a root cellar. Their sweetness makes them a family favorite. Choose shorter varieties for container growing if space is very limited. Ensure loose, well-drained soil for straight roots. Fresh carrots from your garden are far superior to store-bought. Onions are an essential culinary ingredient and a great storage crop. They are relatively easy to grow and don't take up much space. A good harvest can provide you with onions for many months. Plant sets or seeds in early spring. Harvest when the tops fall over, then cure them in a warm, dry place. Store them in mesh bags in a cool, dark, well-ventilated area. Swiss chard is another excellent cut-and-come-again green, similar to kale, but often more heat-tolerant. Its vibrant stems add beauty to the garden, and its leaves are packed with vitamins. It provides a long harvest. Planted in spring, and it will often produce right through summer and into fall. It's versatile in cooking, perfect for sautéing or adding to soups. Chard is a reliable producer for continuous greens. Garlic is incredibly easy to grow and stores exceptionally well, often for 6 to 9 months. It's a fundamental ingredient in countless dishes, making it a must-have for food self-sufficiency. Plant it once, and you'll have it for nearly a year. Plant individual cloves in the fall for a summer harvest. It requires minimal care once established. Curing and proper storage are key to its longevity. To truly feed your family all year, embrace vertical gardening with trellises and stakes. Utilize containers and raised beds for intensive planting. Practice succession planting to ensure continuous harvests. Don't forget about companion planting to boost plant health and yields. With these 10 crops and smart gardening techniques, your small backyard can become a powerhouse of fresh, homegrown food. There you have it, 10 incredible crops that can help feed your family all year, even from a small backyard. From calorie-rich potatoes and sweet potatoes to versatile tomatoes and long-storing winter squash, these plants offer abundance. Start small, learn as you grow, and enjoy the incredible satisfaction of providing for your family directly from your garden. Happy gardening, and here's to a year of delicious homegrown food.